On the morning of September 11, 2001, United Airlines Flight 175, a Boeing 767 traveling from Boston Logan International Airport to Los Angeles, was hijacked by 5 al-Qaeda terrorists and deliberately crashed into the South Tower of the World Trade Center in New York City at 9:03 a.m., killing all 65 people on board and hundreds more inside the building, and confirming to the world that the United States was under coordinated terrorist attack. Flight 175 departed at 8:14 a.m. and initially followed its planned route, but within minutes the hijackers forced their way into the cockpit using knives and physical violence, taking control of the aircraft while passengers and crew attempted to alert authorities through phone calls. Unlike American Airlines Flight 11, which struck the North Tower first, Flight 175's impact was witnessed live by millions on television, transforming confusion into undeniable horror and making clear that the earlier crash was not an accident. Investigations later revealed that the hijackers intentionally increased speed and banked sharply before impact, striking the South Tower between the 77th and 85th floors at high velocity, causing massive structural damage and igniting intense fires fueled by jet fuel. Although the South Tower was hit after the North Tower, it collapsed first, just 56 minutes later, due to the angle and location of impact, which critically weakened key support columns. The crash instantly killed everyone on board and trapped countless occupants above the impact zone, leading to unimaginable loss of life and heroic rescue attempts by firefighters and first responders. The attack exposed profound vulnerabilities in aviation security, intelligence coordination, and emergency preparedness. In the aftermath, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, grounded all U.S. flights for the first time in history, while global airspace was rapidly shut down. The U.S. government launched extensive investigations, including the 9/11 Commission, which concluded that systemic intelligence failures, inadequate airport screening, and outdated security assumptions allow the hijackers to exploit commercial aviation. As a direct result of Flight 175 and the other attacks, the United States created the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, reinforced cockpit doors, expanded no-fly lists, introduced stricter passenger screening, and fundamentally changed how pilots, crews, and passengers respond to hijacking threats. The attack also reshaped U.S. foreign and domestic policy, leading to the War on Terror, major intelligence reforms, and heightened global security measures. United Airlines Flight 175 remains one of the most defining events in modern history, not because of mechanical failure or pilot error, but because it demonstrated how civilian aircraft were weaponized through coordinated terrorism. The images of Flight 175 striking the South Tower became one of the most enduring and traumatic symbols of 9/11, permanently altering public consciousness, aviation security, emergency response doctrine, and the world's understanding of modern terrorism, while the memory of those lost continues to shape safety, vigilance, and collective resolve decades later.